Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some really cute 90s inspired hairstyles. I thought this would be a really fun, kind of different video to do. Most of these looks are super wearable. So I do have some different hair accessories here. I got all of them at Target. I have these little colored scrunchies, these little mini ones, and then I've also got some regular clips. The yellow ones are my favorite. And then these matte colored bobby pins are really, really cute. I love these. I would wear them all the time. So if you want to see how I got these really cute, trendy 90s inspired hairstyles, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, subscribe down below if you haven't already. That would mean so much to me. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And you can also tap the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They are linked in the description box. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, that is it. That is everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed these hairstyles. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see any other hairstyle videos, like a 70s inspired hairstyles video, maybe, or any other hair videos that you would like for me to do. Leave them in the comments down below. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.